We are ready to go, so welcome to that next session on fast-tracking the mobile enterprise. So this is about the partnership we've had between Cisco and Apple. We've been working, as you know, for the last year or so between Apple and Cisco together. You probably heard our CEOs last year making an announcement that Cisco and Apple were working together. And then things went kind of silent for a few months, and many people said, was that just marketing announcement? But no, we were in the background doing things to improve the network. So what I would like to show you today is what we did during the first year. The idea for us was to say, if we were to work together, knowing that we are the largest infrastructure vendor and Apple is the largest mobile device vendor, how could we solve problems that people have, especially in the enterprise network today with mobile devices like iPads, iPhones, laptops, etc. And we realized that the first thing people tell us all the time is about connectivity. You know, you have connectivity issues, people connect to the network, then you roam and things do not work anymore. Or you roam and then if you're on a call, calls drops, or you have some issues in the audio quality. So connectivity was one thing that was coming back all the time. The other thing we found is that in the enterprise network, there is something we work on all the time, that's QoS. However, if you are in a home environment, QoS is not something that matters too much because there is not so much competition to anything else when you talk to the network. So as Apple was getting into the enterprise network, we thought that QoS was also a field where we could probably interact a lot and have a lot of exchange to bring this quality of experience, uniformization between the devices and the infrastructure. So as we talked about all these features, this is not a one-year type of partnership. We're working together on the go for many years, but we thought that the first two things we probably wanted to solve would be the connectivity issue on one side and also the QoS on the other side, so that we could at least make sure that these devices, when they are in an enterprise network and people are moving, you would achieve quality of experience that would be high enough to support any real-time application. So that was the first idea. So we have multiple things going on, and some of them are not related to Wi-Fi. We have, for example, the idea of caching content on some of our routers. So if you download an update for your iOS, instead of having, like here in this facility, 12,000 people downloading the same update 12,000 times, we have a project to cache, recognize this kind of download, cache it, so that we save on the bandwidth. So there are many things which are outside of the wireless field, but what I would like to focus today is primarily on these two items, optimized connectivity and also prioritizing business applications, because those are the two which are really critical for the Wi-Fi quality of experience.